Welcome to Tokyo, a city that blends tradition and modern creativity. Today, Leo, Maya, Zara, Rio, and Nia are on an exciting adventure as art explorers. They'll discover the art of dance, singing, and creating in this vibrant city, filled with inspiration at every turn. Let's join them and explore how art brings people together. The friends step out onto a bustling Tokyo street, surrounded by glowing neon lights, towering skyscrapers, and traditional temples nestled in between.
This place is amazing. Look at all the lights.
And there's art everywhere. Even the signs and billboards are so colorful.
I can already hear music and see people dancing. Let's explore.
I'm ready to perform. Tokyo, here we come.
Let's find inspiration in this beautiful city and create something unforgettable.
Their first stop is Yoyogi Park, a popular gathering spot for dancers, musicians, and performers. A group of street dancers invites them to join their practice session.
This is my chance. Let's learn some moves from the best.
Zara steps forward, mimicking the intricate footwork of a hip-hop dancer, while Leo taps a beat on a small drum he brought along.
Nice moves. Now add some flair and make it your own.
The others join in, each adding their unique style. Maya spins playfully, Rio strikes dramatic poses, and Nia sways gracefully to the rhythm.
Dance is a language everyone understands. Let's keep moving.
Next, the friends visit the famous Shibuya crossing, where thousands of people move like waves in a sea of activity. Inspired by the energy, they decide to perform a song.
This place is full of life. Let's sing something that matches the vibe.
Nia starts humming a soft tune, and Rio picks up a guitar from a nearby street musician who offers it with a smile. Maya creates lyrics on the spot, while Leo claps along to the rhythm.
In the heart of Tokyo, where dreams collide, we find our voices and let them ride.
Their impromptu performance draws a small crowd, with people clapping and cheering. The friends realize how music can connect them with others, even in a bustling city. The group heads to Harajuku, Tokyo's artistic hub, filled with vibrant street art and quirky fashion. They stumble upon a small art studio offering painting workshops.
This is my dream. Let's paint something inspired by Tokyo.
Inside the studio, they each choose a canvas. Maya paints the Shibuya crossing with bold neon colors. Zara creates an abstract piece inspired by her dance moves. And Nia sketches a traditional Japanese temple surrounded by cherry blossoms.
I'm painting my drum, Tokyo style. It'll look even cooler when I play it.
Their art reflects the mix of modern and traditional that Tokyo is known for, showing how the city inspires creativity in unique ways. Their next stop is a cultural center where they're invited to learn Nihon Buyo, a traditional Japanese dance style.
This is so different from what I'm used to, but it's beautiful.
A kind instructor teaches them slow, deliberate movements with fans, explaining the meaning behind each gesture. Zara takes the lead, incorporating what she's learned into a graceful performance.
This dance tells a story without words. It's so expressive.
The friends marvel at how different forms of art, old and new, can come together to inspire them. As their day winds down, the friends gather at Tokyo Tower to create a final performance. With the city lights twinkling in the background, they combine everything they've learned.
I'll set the beat. Let's show Tokyo what we've got.
Leo starts drumming, and Zara dances elegantly, blending traditional moves with her modern style. Maya and Nia sing a duet inspired by their day, while Rio hypes up the crowd with his guitar and charismatic energy.
This is the ultimate art explorer's performance. Tokyo, you've been amazing.
The crowd gathers, clapping along and taking videos of their heartfelt performance. The friends feel the magic of art bringing people together across cultures. As they sit together, overlooking the city from Tokyo Tower, the friends reflect on their adventure.
Tokyo showed us how art is everywhere, in the streets, in people's hearts, and in their traditions.
Dancing here felt like connecting with a whole new world.
And singing in such a lively place made me feel alive.
This city's rhythm is unforgettable. It's like Tokyo itself is an artist.
Thank you for joining the Art Explorers on this unforgettable journey in Tokyo. If you loved this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more artistic adventures with ArtzyKidz.